Good morning. It is a quiet but cold start to the day today. Not as chilly as yesterday, but we're still dealing with some cold temperatures out there. So another day to bundle up here in your forecast. This morning, we've got some quiet weather. You could see we're looking nice and dry and quiet. Visibility looks good here in Fargo and will continue to be on that quiet side, at least for the first half of the day. Things do start to change as we progress into the afternoon hours. Let's take a look at our temperatures. Again, it is colder in some areas up north. We're only at 3 in Fosston, so another chilly start for you there. 8 degrees in Thief River Falls, 9 in Crookston and in Langdon. Not getting any data coming in from Grand Forks at the moment. And in Fargo, we're at 17 degrees. Over to the east, Bemidji's at 14 and 15 in Jamestown. So a little bit of wind. It's not too strong, but it is making a difference. It does feel like it's 3 below in Thief River Falls and 5 below in Langdon. So some sub-zero wind chills once again to start the morning. In the Southern Valley, we're a little better off. Temperatures and wind combine to keep us still above the 0 degree mark, where our wind chill in Fargo is at 8. Which, of course, is still pretty cold here, but especially for this time of year. We're looking at our winds out of the west and up to 10 miles per hour in Devil's Lake. Most of us seeing those winds, though, in the single digits here this morning. So checking out your radar and your satellite map, you can see we're mainly quiet. We've got some breaks in the clouds in some of those areas that are coldest right now, and then some thicker cloud cover moving overhead in other spots this morning. That will continue to be the case. We'll be more on the mostly cloudy side, though we may still get some breaks in those clouds coming up for later on this morning. Keeping our eyes on that next system, you can see some snow showers in Saskatchewan there and back over into southwestern parts of Manitoba. Gradually, we'll see those snow showers dropping south with the cold front. That'll be bringing reinforcement of cold air, and on top of that, a chance for some snow. So looking at your hour-by-hour planner today, temperatures into the, again, teens and single digits this morning. This is at 5:30. As we progress through the morning hours, those temperatures will start to come up as that sun rises closer to 7:30 now this morning. And by 9 a.m., most of us again into the teens, a few of us already getting into the 20s. The best bet for some sunshine this morning will be in the far south, but many of us kind of stuck under the cloud cover. We also start to see those snow showers introduce themselves to the Northern Valley by noon today. You can see a couple of those snow showers in and around that area. And progressing into the afternoon, the front continues to drop southward, and we see that area of snowfall kind of fill in here into the afternoon hours. So you're going to start to see more and more snow showers up in the northern half of the valley through 4 o'clock. Southern Valley will still be pretty quiet at that point. But as we get into the drive time hour, 5, 6 o'clock, the snow will advance southward, move into Fargo-Moorhead and places like Highway 10 and back over toward I-94 in North Dakota. And so we're looking at an evening commute that could end up getting, once again, pretty messy, a little bit on the slick side as well. Even just a light coating of snow, as we've seen and as we remember, can make a big difference in how those roads are. So keep that in mind. It's not going to be ideal driving conditions heading home from work today. That snow continues to drop southward. It's a fast mover, so it won't stick around for a long period of time, but it will be enough to bring us a coating of snow. This is through 11 o'clock tonight. You can see most places seeing that potential for some snow. In this brighter blue area, that's where we have that shot at getting maybe an inch or more of some snowfall, but that'll be about it. So that's through tonight. Now we're going back to our hour-by-hour planner and checking out what's happening starting tomorrow morning. That cold air really rushing in behind this system means that we're looking at another round of sub-zero lows for some of us tomorrow morning. Many places in the single digits with that wind coming in out of the northwest. We might once again get some lake effect snow off of some of the larger lakes that are still open this time of year. And into the 4 o'clock hour, checking out our temperatures, not much warmth at all. We're looking at some teens here for tomorrow, and that is it. So a very cold day for your Thursday ahead. Here's a look at your 7-day planner. We've got 26 today, and then tomorrow the bottom really drops out at 18 for your high. We start to make a recovery Friday back into the 30s with a chance for some snow on Saturday for Veterans Day. And into Sunday, back down again a little bit, but I'm hopeful because next week it looks like we're going to start to see a little pattern shift and get some milder, more average kind of weather coming in for next week.
Thank you, Lisa.
Coming up next here on the Valley today, the push to draw more attention to missing and murdered Native American women.